Hi everyone, welcome to my channel today. So in today's video I'm popping on with my card for the One Sketch Challenge, which is hosted by Lisa at Crafting Diva. I will leave a link to Lisa's channel in my description box below. So once a month Lisa holds the One Sketch Challenge, and this is my card for the challenge for April. And what I've done here is I've cut out some rectangles onto some vellum. On these two I have coloured the rectangles in yellow and pink, and on this one I have used a stencil and coloured through the stencil and created some little leaves and foliage onto the vellum. And then I've stamped out some lovely little butterflies, and I've embossed those with some white embossing powder. On this one I have stamped out a lovely flower and embossed it with some black embossing powder. I've coloured the back of the flower in with some of my ink pads, the same colour as I used here, but I've gone over them a number of times to create a darker colour. And then I've popped a little gem into the centre of my flower, and I'm just going to show you the sketch I was following. This is my take on the sketch. I decided to use the vellum so you could see the lovely stripy paper through the back, and I've also gone around the edges with some gold embossing powder just so that the vellum stands out on the card. So yeah, there you go. That is my take on the One Sketch Challenge for this month. There are a number of other ladies taking part. Do head on over to their channels to see their designs for the challenge. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you ever so much for joining me. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting, have a wonderful day, take care, see you soon, and bye bye for now.